Brothers and sisters, have you ever heard of a mysterious man who once came to the Prophet Muhammad in front of all the companions and asked questions that would define our faith forever? That man was none other than Angel Jibreel. And this is known as the Hadith of Jibreel. Let us listen carefully. One day, we were sitting with the Messenger of Allah, when suddenly, there appeared before us a man. He was dressed in pure white clothes, his hair was intensely black, and there were no signs of travel upon him, yet none of us recognized him. He came and sat down in front of the Prophet. He placed his knees against his knees and put his hands on his thighs. Then he said, "O Muhammad, tell me about Islam." The Messenger of Allah replied, "Islam is to testify that there is no God but Allah, and that Muhammad is the Messenger of Allah, to establish the prayer, to give zakah, to fast in Ramadan, and to perform Hajj, if you are able to do so." The man said, "You have spoken the truth." We were astonished that he would ask the question and then confirm the answer. Then he said, "Tell me about Iman." The Prophet said, "Iman is to believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, the last day, and to believe in the divine decree, the good of it, and the bad of it." He said, "You have spoken the truth." Then he said, "Tell me about Ihsan." The Prophet said, "Ihsan is to worship Allah as though you see Him. And if you cannot see Him, then indeed, He sees you." Then he said, "Tell me about the hour." The Prophet replied, "The one who is asked does not know more than the one who is asking." He said, "Then tell me about its signs." The Prophet said, "The slave girl will give birth to her mistress, and you will see the barefoot, the naked, the destitute shepherds competing with one another in building tall buildings." Then the man left, and we remained for some time. The Prophet asked, "Oh, Umar, do you know who the questioner was?" I said, "Allah and His Messenger know best." He said, "That was Gabriel, he came to teach you your religion." Dear brothers and sisters, this hadith is not just a story. It is the foundation of our entire deen. Through it, we learn what Islam truly is, what Iman truly means, and what Ihsan, the highest level of worship, looks like. It reminds us that this world is temporary. True success is not wealth or fame, but entering Jannah and being saved from the fire. So ask yourself, if Angel Jibreel were to come to us today and ask these same questions, would we have the right answers, not just on our tongues, but in our hearts and in our actions? Let us strive to live by Islam, to strengthen our Iman, and to beautify our worship with Ihsan. May Allah grant us sincerity, may He forgive our shortcomings, and on the day of judgment, may He admit us into Jannah, for that is the ultimate success.